Uh, isn't this such a great day? The sun is shining, the grass is green. Can't wait to take a snack in my. No, 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 no. The fridge is upside down! No! Who could do such a thing? Uh, 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 uh.
Meanwhile,
Okay, welcome to the second or 58th day of the Yeet Club. What news do we have today? One time I got a waterproof watch and I poured water inside it and it broke. So I sued them with my revolver. Well done. You? I ate cheese. Okay. What? 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 Why? This can't be happening. No, I must find out. Hey, Jeremy, how you doing?
oh, hey, how you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. Just sad because my fridge is upside down.
Oh, yeah. Oh, by the way, did you see my new wiener surgery?
Aw, sick! Now you can shoot people with your pee-pee.
Yeah,
Like those people who make fun of gay people. Like, seriously, just be yourself. Stop acting so Sigma and get a job! I agree. Who am I gonna find who did all this awful, disgusting things? Well, you could always ask the Tire of Wisdom. Of course! Thank you! Oh, Tire of Wisdom, who made my dear fridge upside down? Okay. Oh, wow. Of course! The Yeet Club! I should ask them! Thank you! Shouldn't have eaten all those burgers. Hey, Yeet Club! Yes? Where, who, and how did my fridge go upside down? You should ask, why did your fridge go upside down? Hey, chill. Who made my fridge go upside down? I don't know. You will die. Is that a paper? Paper! My leg! A few hours later. Uh, well, my leg's back. Kind of. What does the paper say? Jeremy! Jeremy! Why did you make my fridge upside down?
Because I wanted to, and you can't stop me.
Oh, yeah? Okay, I think that's enough now. Well, wait a minute. I could just make my fridge upside it up. All I need is just, yeah. Yay! My fridge is no longer upside down!